Hello everyone, this is a video short for binary search tree post-order traversal. An easy way to remember post-order traversal is to visit left, right, root, which means visiting the left node first, then the right node, and at last the root node. Let's take a look at an example to determine the post-order traversal of the following binary search tree. So we'll first visit the left node, that is 10, then we'll visit the right node, 30, then the root node of the left subtree, 20. Then we'll first complete the right subtree and its leftmost node is 50, then 70, then the root node of the right subtree, and at last the root node 40. So this is the post-order traversal for the following binary search tree. Thank you.